No position to fight a war, Pakistan seeks an off-ramp with Iran. For 2 years, Pakistan has struggled with economic and political crises, an increase in militant attacks and souring relations with another neighbor, Afghanistan. When Iran and Pakistan traded airstrikes this week, both targeting what they said were militant camps, the exchange raised fears that the upheaval sweeping the Middle East was moving into new territory. To Pakistan, which was hit first, it was important to send a clear message that violations of its sovereignty would not be tolerated. But the Pakistani military quickly followed its retaliatory action with another message, one that showed its desire to contain the tensions, a wish driven in no small part by the immense strain the country was under even before the Iran clash. Pakistan signaled that it was seeking de-escalation by calling the two nations brotherly countries and urging dialogue and cooperation, language that Iran echoed in a statement of its own on Friday. Pakistan's appeal, analysts said, underlined a plain fact: it could hardly be in a worse position to fight a war.